touch me, don't touch
I'm not touching you.
I see a figure right there.
I'm not touching you.
Mom, can I kill her?
This is where we went with the razor. Right, Daddy? What? Oh, Sophie's right there. Look at it. It's a flat Sophie's right there. Daddy, can we go up there and
So you guys want to walk all the way over to that point?
yeah.
You guys
My legs are okay.
Your legs are okay?
Yeah, Daddy, because my legs is like, Daddy,
That's a long walk.
Daddy, my legs like Spider-Man.
Like Spider-Man?
Yeah, because Spider-Man, like some people on my tablet will watch Sunny movie.
Yeah?
They don't know how to say Spider-Man. They just say.
Here, let Daddy walk in front of you so that Daddy can make sure there's no snakes and stuff, okay?
Daddy, just walk on this side and you can go over it. Yeah, because Pokey's right here. We're just gonna pass those. I don't want to. Yeah, don't come where I am because there's Pokey's right here. I know. Well. It looks like a step. I know we want to go pussy. Right here. Just keep going along and that's it. No.
Look, guys.
What? Oh, you caught something. You caught something, Dada?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, Daddy, you did? Oh. Oh. Fish. Daddy, this time we got stuff fish.
Mm-hmm.
Can I hold it, Daddy? Daddy, first goes me. I'll hold it. No, I go first. Not it. No. Daddy, could I hold it too? No, I'm the first one. Daddy, could I hold it too? No. Actually, that was...
Come here.
Oh.
Remember how Daddy showed you guys to do it? No, it's alive. Grab it with your thumb like that. Come on, get in there. It's not going to hurt you. It's like sandpaper. Grab it. Oh, Daddy accidentally let go of the mouth. Grab it. You got to grab it. Hold on to it good.
No.
Okay, then don't. Come on, Benny. You're a boy. Grab it. You get in there and grab it. Hold it. Daddy's letting go. You got to hold it. Grab good. You got him?
Yeah.
Woo! Good job.
Are we going to throw them back in there?
Yeah.
I don't want to.
They're spawning right now, Boo. See, this one might have babies in the belly. See how big its belly is?
Okay.
Or it might have just eaten a lot. Look at that over, Gene. You want to try holding it?
Can I try?
Yeah, just grab it. It's fine. It's not going to hurt you.
Yeah,
Just grab it.
Daddy's just... Oh,
Boo.
my God, they're Pokey.
No, it's like sandpaper. Look, Daddy's putting his hands all over it. Okay, Daddy's putting them back.
Daddy, I love that. Bye, fishy. Bye, fish.
Woohoo, high five.
It just had a little hurt. Don't poke me, Dada. It's like it hurts a little. Dada.
It's just like sandpaper.
Daddy, I didn't, Daddy, it didn't even hurt. But Daddy, I pinched this.
Okay.
Wait, but Daddy, do fish have tongue?
Yep, right where you grabbed, that was its tongue.
But Daddy, I pinched his tongue a little bit. And I think fish faster than people.
They're pretty fast.
What?
They're pretty fast.
That means they're faster than you.
Probably are. There's another one, guys.
Was it?
Yep. Come here, Benny. Come on, Benny. Reel it in. Reel. Ooh, it's a jumper.
Oh my gosh. There's a giant one. There's a giant one. Daddy, remember that other one is okay.
Just calm down. It's not going to hurt you.
It's okay.
It's just a little fish.
Oh, that's okay. Nope, I'm not going to throw that one. I'm not. It looks like a catfish.
It's not. It's a bass. Good job, Benny.
No. I want to take a picture of you holding it. No. Can you take a picture?
Daddy's taking a video. So I've caught. No, you're crying.
Oh my gosh. Daddy, that looks like a bat. Oh my gosh, I like that. I'm rolling in next.
Okay. And then it's Aurora's turn.
Daddy, I love that one. Daddy, I love that one. Daddy, I love that one. That's serious, I love it. Yeah. Not in the shoes. Try not to do this one. I'll just. That is
Ow.
leaving. Tickle.
No, Daddy's got to get a new worm on because that one's all torn up. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we leaving. That we not because we just got here, right?
Mm-hmm. Oops.
No more.
Do you know what that's called?
No.
Indian toilet paper.
Indian toilet paper. Let's take it home. To wipe your butt with?
Mm-hmm. See how it's soft?
Yeah. Oh, that big one. Oh, God.
That's probably not what it's really called, but that's what Daddy's always known it as.
Daddy, I don't wipe your butt with nice
No.
and soft. Daddy, I like food that's nice and soft. See that? This is Indian toilet paper?
It's probably not really called that, but